I was talking about that pile that I'm building up of soil and green material from our gardens, and right here it is. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put some soil on it now. I just watered it with my compost tea. It's fermented. It's just got a lot of moisture in it now. That's good. Now I'm going to put some soil on the top. It's a pretty simple thing to do, as long as I've got a shovel. Wherever I put it. Oh, there it is. What a nice day. And we're talking about some low 20-degree temperatures coming up. So we got to get some of this done. There's some straw here, so I'll kind of save that for putting on the top. But these are all Langham style circle beds here that I built in here. This area here in my design is meant to provide two functions. Well, a lot of little functions too, but the two main functions are, it is as a composting area. I figured out I need 15 feet square to be able to turn the pile without really a lot of trouble. To get it too small, then you're kind of you gotta kind of use double space as you're turning it, and that's pretty tight. It's not very easy. But if you have 15 square and you're just doing say about a 3-yard pile, a yard each of manure, green material and brown material, you can easily flip that easily in that 15 square feet without having to double pile it. And double pile it, I mean you're taking some of the beginning of it, you're only moving it over a couple feet, and then you're trying to get all the rest of it turned as you're flipping it, and then it's almost the same spot as what it was in. Green material covered. So the 15 by 15, you can start the new pile well away from the old pile that you're flipping. Now you're not having to work in such a tight spot. So this circle beds that I made, after I got them composted, I made it out of a combination of the compost I made that year, and then I did the same pile up the year before as I'm doing now. So this is a combination of probably maybe even 3 or 4 years of compost, but mostly, more 2 years ago than last year, and those two together are way more than what's the residue of what was left in previous years. And that's what I made these circle beds out of, and I made use of the area where I compost to be a growing space. So that's pretty good.